Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you are able to join me in this video. As you can tell by the title, this is a DIY project. And for those of you who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Stacy, and to my squad, welcome back, squad. So here is a curio, an old curio that I had gotten from Goodwill, and it was just all like chipped up, and it was like a mahogany color. So I decided to go ahead and spray paint it black. Um, and this is the end results. I really don't know what happened to my footage, y'all. So this is the only footage that I have. I had footage of me, spray painting it and everything, but this is all that I had left. I don't know what happened. So on the inside, these items that I put in here, I shopped around my house, and these are the things that I put inside. I guess it will start growing after a while if I see, little knickknacks and stuff that I like in the stores or whatever. I'll pick it up. But this is what I had in the house, so I shopped around my home to put things in it, and I put this inside the dining room. So this is what it's looking like, guys, and yeah, I like it. It turned out nice. This right here is the light. So this is how it looks with the light on. And I absolutely love it. It turned out very nice. Um, yeah, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please come back and see me again. Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Bye.